Yo, back with another one. Back with another one. A little Home Depot haul on some Ridgid. I got the drills. Like how they feel, so I figured I check these out. Check these out right here. Coming up, a little unboxing. Let you see what I got. All right, first up, the Sawzall. As you can see, this is what the box look like. Just flip it around. It's not open. Do a little unboxing for you real quick. Now, I was in the market for a Sawzall. I had an old Ryobi Sawzall, and I got that like, I don't know, 30 years ago. But as you can see, it was time for me to upgrade. It did its job. I never had no issue with it, but since I got the Ridgid drills, I figured I'd, you know what I mean, see what the rest of the line is like. So let's open this up. All right, here we go. Let's open this up real quick. See what goodies it is, like Christmas. My man, excuse the attire. I got some work to do in the garage, so I ain't dressed to impress. But who cares, right? Oh, nice, heavy. What I will say, about, as you can see, the box is the box. Ridgid. So, comes with the blade, which I'm surprised. I bought a pack of blades, a wood cutting blade. If I knew that, I wouldn't have bought them. It comes with a single blade. It has the instructions. The instructions, how to use it, how to load it, you know, all that good stuff. But you know, you don't need instructions. No, it's like, no. We need instructions. There we go. Comes in a bag, all wrapped up. Now, I had a choice between the Ridgid brand, you know, and the Ryobi brand, okay? The Ryobi brand is a good brand, DIY brand. I believe the Ridgid is also, but to me, I don't really like the feel of the Ryobi. But everybody that I know has Ryobi loves it. I just generally don't like the feel of it. This right here feels a lot heavier. I mean, which can be a good thing, it can be a bad thing. But, you know, sometimes when you buy a tool, you want it to be, feel like a solid, you know what I mean, solid. So, as you can see, this is the Sawzall. Feels good. Got your on and off. Orbital. On and off, as you can see. You got your lock. Lock and unlock. You got your trigger. Now, this right here is where you insert the blade. As you can see, there's your lock mechanism right here. You pull down on it. Put the blade in. Put the blade in. Lock it and secure it. I believe I have a battery laying around. Give me a second. Here we go. Okay, I know that was rude, but hey, you know what I mean? I ain't a professional. Now, what really made me get the Ridgid line was I already had the drills, like I said, so I already had 2 batteries. With the Ryobi, I would have had to get the tool and the batteries, or I would have had to buy another set of drills, and they would give me 2 batteries. I don't really need another set of drill. That's nice, but it's really not practical. You know what I mean? I'm never going to use it. I ain't going to say never, but I mean, it's kind of wasteful, you know. So I figured I already got the batteries, And so I figured I stayed within the same brand. Clips right in. Now I had these batteries for about 2 years now, a year and a half, something like that. Since the first unboxing, the video I did when I first got it. No issues, long charge. You know, I left one battery in the garage all winter. It's not heated in there, and it still had juice by the time it got warm. Let's turn it on. Let's see. Got good power. Solid feel. It's heavy. It's heavy. But like I said, I like my tools to be heavy. You know what I mean? I like to feel like I got something in my hands. You know, like when it feels like it's gonna break. And again, I'm not saying that the Ryobi feels that way, but I like to feel like if I drop it, it's not going to shatter. This definitely has some weight to it. But that's that. All right. So there you have it. Again, this is the tool only. When you get it, it's just a tool only. I don't think they have combos where it comes with the battery with it. I will say Ridgid is a little bit more expensive than Ryobi, but I guess they're all good brands. They wouldn't be in the stores if they weren't that good brands for this long. So there you have it. Show the side view. And again, I'm digging this orange and like gray type look. I'm digging that. You know what I mean? You get partial to one thing and you start using it all the time. So that's what we have here. That is the Sawzall. And again, it came with a blade. Comes with a blade, no battery. So I'm gonna set that aside and set the box inside. Okay, let's do the next one. Now I'm shooting this straight through, so disregard if I say something or something go wrong because I'm shooting it straight through. As you can see, here you go. This is the brushless 18-volt multi-tool with tool-free head inside. So it comes with one of the heads inside. Now I got this because I'm going to do some work inside the garage where it's a beam that I want to cut and replace the seal. So it was either use a Sawzall, which I just bought, or get one of these. But everybody that I know that has one likes it. Says a tool, regardless what brand, it's a tool that you might want to get because it's nice to have. And again, I went with Ridgid. As you can see, this is the box. Okay, package nice, I must say. And again, I'm digging the orange and gray. All right, let's crank this bad boy up. Let me give you a close up. There you go. Let me give you a close up real quick. Okay. And it says the octane models supposedly last 30% longer. Now, the only issue with that is this is not a octane battery. So I don't know what the science behind that is because I figured the battery would be the thing that would have to last a lot longer. But I guess it's more efficient in the way it uses the battery. Okay. All right. Let's put this all to the side. That was just a piece of cardboard. As you can see, it comes with a variety of different things. Let's open this. Let's open this up right here. All right. Okay, it comes with a variety of different tools to use. Now, I never used one of these, so I really gotta look it up and see exactly how to use these tools because I never really used them. So I gotta really do my research on how to use them. I heard they were real good. I heard they were necessary. I mean, I used a Sawzall before, but I never used one of these before, so I really gotta do my research on it. As you can see, it comes with its tools on the inside. Okay, and these are all woodworking tools. And like I said, that's what I need it for. I'm not really doing that major. Comes with this clip. As you can see, you know what? I didn't see a clip in here for the Sawzall. Maybe I missed it, but no. I don't think it came with one. I didn't see a clip for the Sawzall. So the Sawzall does not have a clip. It comes with this clip that you clip on it. You can put it on your belt. You know what I mean? So the Sawzall didn't come with it. It comes with a few sand pads. So that's nice. And it comes with a Velcro that you stick the sand pads on, as you can see. That's pretty nice. Velcro on the bottom. So you can just stick the pads on it and go to work, which is nice. Again, I'm not going to sit here and act like I know everything about these, because I don't. I've never used this one before. I've used the Sawzall multiple times. General knowledge of how that works. I mean, it's not rocket science. But this right here, I got to actually look it up. Like I said, I want to make some cuts today. But today I just might use the Sawzall as of right now, because I want to get it done. I really bought this for future reference. In the near future when I need it. Let's continue to pull some stuff out the box. Okay. Oh, just keep coming. Just keep coming. Okay, empty box, empty box. Let's see what we got here. Okay. The tool itself is wrapped up in plastic. Nice and neat. Now, okay, let me show you right here. Okay, it's wrapped up in plastic, nice and neat. The battery goes right here, as you can see. Tool goes right here. Okay. And as you can see, it comes with a separate piece right here. And it also comes car box and wrapped up plastic. Very nice. And again, the tool's definitely got some weight on it. Like, this head is heavy. This is the bottom part is fairly light, but the head itself is heavy. So that's always nice. And clip it in. Okay. So there you have it. You have the tool itself. Definitely feel nice grip. Again, it has some weight to it, so let's see what's going on here. Okay, got a little button down here to make the light come on so you can see what you're doing. That looks like your reverse, forward, reverse, back out. Let me see. You know what? Don't quote me on that, because it's a 3 toggle switch. So don't quote me on that. Again, I've never used one of these, but I'll let you know how it worked out for me. Okay. Okay. It sounds good. It sounds good enough. It sounds good. Again, this right here is the locking mechanism. I'm not gonna sit here and say I really know how to use this thing. I don't, but that's the whole purpose of getting it. Is to learn how to use it, make your job a little easier. But I just wanted to give you an unboxing. Definitely with the battery. Without the battery, it's definitely light. With the battery, puts a little bit more weight, and then the top of it puts a little weight. And it looks like it has different positions, so you can do it this way, or you can turn around the other way. Almost, I guess, for whatever reason. You might need to do that. But there you have it. There you have it. Okay, there you have it. The Home Depot run. The goodies I picked up. You got your saw, your Sawzall, and your multi-tool. Definitely looking forward to using these. Not the cheapest ones, but I like it so far. We shall see. Again, these are the accessories. The Sawzall comes with one blade, nothing else. Neither one of these tools come with a battery. That's something that you're going to have to fit the bill for on top of that. And the multi-tool comes with different attachments, belt, clip it on your belt, and different tools. All come with both instructions, how to work these machines and register for the warranty. So I'm going to get ready and wrap this up. Listen, I want to just let y'all know, have a happy Sunday. Be safe out there and stay blessed. Well.